Hey, do you know what mostly students are afraid of in IELTS? Yes, the speaking test. But relax. In today's video, we are going to conduct the IELTS speaking test from part 1 to part 3. And if you want to get a real experience, then watch the video till the end. I am Pankaj, your examiner. I will be conducting your IELTS speaking test. I hope you are comfortable.
Yes, sir, I am comfortable.
Okay. So in this speaking task, we are going to discuss 3 parts. So let's start with the first part.
Okay, sir.
How may I call you?
Sir, my full name is Ronak, and my friends used to call me Roni.
Okay.
So you can call me Roni if you want to.
Okay. Roni, do you work or study?
Sir, I completed my graduation last year. I have done my graduation in BSc Agriculture and post-graduation in MSc Horticulture. Currently, I am pursuing my career as a YouTuber.
Okay. So why did you choose this career as a YouTuber you are doing?
Sir, I have worked in private companies too. And there I learned that I'm not that good in sales and all that. So then I started to think what other opportunities do we have? And I think my skill is I'm being creative. And if you are creative, there is a lot of opportunity as a YouTuber. So that's why I choose YouTube as a career.
Okay. So do you find this career interesting?
Yes, sir. There are two things. One is you like your work, one is you have to do your work, and one is you love your work. If it's about YouTube, I love my work. I love making videos. There is a lot of skills you have to learn while making a video. So I, of course, love my work and it's interesting, sir.
Okay. So Ronak, now we are going to discuss about language. So shall we start it?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
So what language do you speak?
Sir, I speak 2 languages, English and Hindi.
Okay. When did you learn English?
Sir, till my graduation, I was not so good in speaking skills. But after my graduation, I realized that in any sector, if you want to see the growth, whether it's companies, government job, or it's yourself, you want to be self-made, then English is something that will help you to achieve your goals. So after that, I took some speaking classes and then started practicing on my own, started watching English movies, reading novels. Then I see little improvement in English, and now I'm able to express my thoughts in English language.
That's nice. So Ronak, as you have mastered now another language, so I would like to ask you that, do you find it difficult to learn any foreign language?
Sir, this is a good question. And I like to answer that English or other language, I don't know what about the other language. But if I talk about English, anything can be learned with a proper practice and proper knowledge. If you take guidance of some expert, you can master anything. So if I talk about English, for me it was not difficult. It was more of interesting to me. You got a chance, you make mistake, and then you learn from mistake. So it was always a good experience for me. People has always helped me. Even my brother, who always talk with me on the mobile. So it was a nice experience. It was not difficult for me.
That's good. So are you planning to learn any foreign language?
Sir, I love to learn Punjabi language if I got chance, because I have interest in Punjabi movies, mostly comedy movies. So if I go to learn another language, I would prefer Punjabi because it sounds cool to speak Punjabi language.
Okay. So our first part is complete. Now let's begin next part.
Okay.
The second. So in this, I will give you a cue card, Ronak. In that, you will get 1 minute to prepare. And you will get 1 minute to prepare. Then you have to speak that for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
And the cue card is, who inspires you the most?
Okay, sir. Give me some time, sir.
Please take your time. If you are any of those who are struggling with preparing your IELTS speaking, then feel free to contact me and you can stay tuned with me so that you can master your communication skills, your IELTS speaking, and all the modules. So I hope you will be tuned to us and will be learning number of things. Thank you.
Sir, can I speak?
Yeah, please start.
Sir, although there are many inspirational persons in my life, but today here I will discuss the most inspirational person whom I love also the most, and
Okay.
he's my elder brother, Yoginder. Right now, he's serving in BSF at the post of sub inspector. And since the childhood, although we have 5 years of age gap, but still we are more like friend rather than just brothers. We share each other everything, and some of the best lesson of my life are taught by my brother. He always says to me that there is no shortcut for the success. You just have to work hard, be consistent on your work, and just believe in your dreams. When you work like that, your dreams come true one day. And apart from that, he's always supported me. He's always believed in me. No matter what society says, he always say me, you do what you want to do. Even when I started the YouTube channel, he's the one who motivated me and always support me financially, emotionally. And I think he's my strength. And I like my brother the most. And he's the most inspirational person to me.
So nice, Ronak.
And
It was well. You performed very nicely. So now we are going to go for the follow-ups of this cue card. Are you ready for it?
yes, sir, I will try my best.
That's good. So do you think role models are important for young people?
So I believe that in any field we want to get success, there are already some people who have achieved the success in your particular line. Whether you want to do businessman in something, whether you want to be a YouTuber in some category, someone has achieved the success in that line prior to you. So they are the one who give us the motivation, inspiration, yes, that it is achievable. And that's why role models are important, because they are the one who have traveled the difficult route. They have started from zero and traveled to one. So I think the role model are the most important, in play important part in our life, because they show the right path that your success can be true one day.
So how do you define role model?
Sir, according to me, role models are not just the people who have get successful in their life. For me, I think that the people who are struggling right now, and there are some people whom I see struggling and failing. And when they fail, some people have a habit to cry, and some people handle their situation with more maturity. They just remain happy in their life and keep on solving the difficult problems. So for me, role models are those people who are competing side by side with me. They are failing and still they have positive attitude toward the life. So they inspires me the most, that they are taking these things normally, and they one day they will succeed for sure. So they are my role models.
Okay. So what kind of people are admired the most in your country?
In my country, sir.
Yes, in your country.
Sir, if I talk about India, India is a country of culture and religion. So many kind of people are inspired in my country. Especially spiritual people are also admired. But as like in all countries, nation work in four categories. One is jobs or service, we can say. The other is business. Third is self-employment, and fourth is investing. So I think the self-made people who have make their career on their own are the most inspired people by the youth. And because they have make the change, they have done something who has not someone think of. So the self-made people, I would say, would be the right answer, who are more inspired in my country.
Okay. So as you discussed about your country, that it's religious country, right?
Yeah.
So now I would like to talk about some of your like the part of your religion. So what is the festival you like the most?
Sir, I like mostly, there are two festivals which are mostly famous in our country. One is Holi and one is Diwali. Both of the festival are my favorite.
Okay.
Holi is a festival of colors and water. We celebrate with our family. Mostly, there is a culture that they were celebrate their with their bhabi.
Okay.
And the other is Diwali, when Rama, the god, has won over the Ravan, and when he came to his Samrajya, then the Holi was celebrated.
Okay.
So these are the two festivals. One is on Diwali, we give gift to each other, family members, and lighting is everywhere. So a kind of positive environment is created. And one is Holi. These are two are my favorite festivals.
Is there any festival which you dislike, Ronak?
Sir, sorry, I am not able to recall right now because all festival have such kind of positive impact or positivity.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So now let's talk about some moments of childhood.
Okay, sir.
Are you interested in it?
Yes, sir.
So, do you remember your childhood?
Yes, sir. I remember everything about my childhood.
Okay. So, what do you remember the most and what you keep on recalling about your childhood, which you miss often?
Sir, the thing I miss the most is when we were childhood, me and my brother spend most of our quality time while playing uh, cricket and all that. And all our friends used to live together nearby.
Okay.
And now everyone has settled. They have moved to their life. Someone is living in different state. My brother is also in different state. So I miss that now everyone has become so busy in their life that we hardly get time to spend with each other. And I miss those moments spent with my brothers and friends.
Okay. So, what are the changes have come at present as compared to your childhood in your daily routine?
Sir, if I talk about a difference, I would say at the childhood, we mostly talk about the useless things in our life, which has no means. But nowadays, everybody is talking about success, achieving goal, targets. Means everything has changed. And in my childhood, time was quite a bit slow. Means a day appears so big. We do so many activities.
Okay.
But now we are so much busy in mobiles that everyone is just spending time on mobile. We are not spending time, quality time with people. That was I used to see and feel at my childhood. So this is the basic difference.
That's nice. I would like to ask a question about your childhood. That is there any moment which often makes you laugh when you remember that moment of your childhood? Any funny moment of your childhood?
Yes, sir, there is a moment. When I was child, I was never used to go to into the marriages.
Okay.
And for the first time, I went for the marriage, and there were so much items of eating like ice cream. Every kid wants to have, and I was so afraid. I was just moving around the counters, and I was thinking that I have to pay to eat them. So after so much weight, my craving has increased. I asked my buaji that can I have ice cream? Will you give me the money? And she started laughing. She said, "There is free in this marriage. You don't have to pay for anything. You can have what you want to." So that was the moment I realized that at that time we used to be so innocent.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Ronak, as I asked you a cue card in that you discussed about your brother, was I think Yogi, right? You told that you admire him a lot. So is there something in your brother which you dislike and you want him to change that? You expect some changes in him?
So this is a tricky question, but if I have to tell
it could be any of his habit which you dislike and you want him to change.
Sir, I don't want him to change, but sometime I don't dislike. Sometime I get jealous that after he got his girlfriend, he's spending more time while talking to his girlfriend, and I got jealous being a brother. That why are you giving so much time to her rather than me? So this is only thing I sometimes dislike. But that's the love for my brother. I think for that I dislike. Otherwise,
so have you ever discussed him about this matter?
No, sir. Today
that he has started making you feel jealous.
No, sir. But he knows somewhere that I am being rude sometime. So he understand and he give more time to me.
That's good. So, Mr. Ronak, you performed very nicely.
Thank you, sir.
And your speaking is over. And I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, sir. I was very quality time.
Yeah. In fact, I was very surprised to see you speaking. In the beginning, I thought you may get stuck, but you were good in the speaking. And the one thing about you is that you are good at expressing your own words. Whatever you were saying heartily, and you were able to express that.
Yes.
So I'm truly satisfied with your speaking.
So I would like to thank you also. And before, I would say 3 months ago, I was so much introvert and I don't know how to present my feelings. I just joined your batch, and after interacting you groomed us so well that I also see many changes. Even my brothers, even my family member told, okay, you are improving day by day. So thanks to you that you groomed us so well.
Most welcome, Anand.
Thank you.
So guys, if you want to be the next, so please join us, English Chatters, and stay tuned.